In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guests in Asana if you collaborate with clients, contractors, or partners outside your organization. Adding them as guests in Asana is a simple way to keep work moving while maintaining control over access. Guests are people who don't share your organization's email domain, and they only see what you explicitly share with them, which keeps the rest of your workspace private. Start by opening the exact project or team you want to share. Think about this choice carefully. Sharing at the project level gives the guest access only to that specific project, whereas sharing at the team level grants access to all projects that are visible within that team. If you're working with a client on a single deliverable, project level sharing is usually the most focused and secure approach. Once you're in the right place, look to the top right corner and click the share button. Depending on your layout or theme, this might appear as a button labeled share or as an icon with a person and a plus sign. If you don't see it, you may not have permission to share that project or team, so check with the project owner or an admin. In the share window, type the guest's email address, use the address they actively monitor, and keep in mind that if the email matches your organization's domain, Asana will treat them as a member rather than a guest. If you're inviting someone from outside your company, their address will be recognized as a guest email, and they'll only gain access to what you share here. Next, choose the appropriate permission level. Editor is best for collaborators who need to create tasks, update details, assign work, or change due dates. Commenter is ideal for stakeholders who only need to review, leave feedback, and keep track of progress without making structural changes. When in doubt, start with the more limited permission and increase it later if needed. You can always adjust their role from the same share menu after they've been added. Finally, click Send. Asana will deliver an invitation to the email you entered, and once the guest accepts, they'll be able to view or contribute based on the permission you selected. They'll see the project or team you shared and any tasks, comments, and attachments within that scope, but nothing else in your workspace. That's all it takes. Open the right project or team, click Share, enter the guest's email, pick a permission level, and send the invite. Keeping permissions intentional helps protect sensitive work while making collaboration effortless.